Good evening, everyone. It's a vote of confidence from the New York governor and from federal regulators. American adults can now get a third dose of the COVID vaccine with the booster shot and approval, and kids getting vaccinated. It's a local and national offensive against a surge in COVID cases, but with those climbing cases, there is still serious concern heading into the holidays. Eriquetta Cost has followed this story locally and joins us live now. Eriquetta.
Jack, the best thing doctors say you can do is get vaccinated if you haven't already, whether that's your booster shot, if you're eligible, or just getting your first dose. Monroe County is at just over 8% for the 7-day rolling average for positive cases. That is larger than surrounding areas throughout the state. This graph from Monroe County Department of Health shows cases are especially on the rise for school-age children. Health officials say it could be due to a number of reasons, being in the classroom again, colder weather, and the Delta variant. Justine Hoffman, a nurse manager for this clinic at Arnett Boulevard, says she's encouraging parents to get their child vaccinated right away if they're 5 years of age or older.
So we had a great turnout today at his branches. This was our first pediatric vaccine clinic that we've done. We had upwards of a couple dozen kids come in, get their first vaccine.
Hoffman says while they're pleased with turnout today, there's still plenty of parents with questions.
We had a parent this morning that was on the fence about getting her kids vaccinated. She was able to talk to one of the great pharmacists we had here from St. John Fisher, who came and volunteered with us. We know the science is solid and that the vaccine is safe. So
the booster shot is another topic gaining a lot of interest. Just yesterday, the CDC and FDA approved the third shot for anyone over the age of 18 and at least 6 months out from their second dose. Dr. Emma Lesho with Rochester Regional Health says this is the time frame where doctors are seeing waning immunity, contributing to more breakthrough cases. On top of that, the push to get a first dose to those not vaccinated at all still remains a priority.
9 out of 10 patients who are in the intensive care unit for COVID and on the ventilators or on, heart-lung machines are unvaccinated patients.
The advice for the public remains the same: to wash your hands, wear a mask in high-risk settings, and they say recognizing symptoms early on is a key to mitigation. The minute you start feeling sick, call your doctor and make sure to get tested right away. In Rochester, Eriquetta Cost, News 8.